Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Kenmore brand washing machine and it's giving you a small r big L error and you're wondering what is this error and what can you do to fix it. So first of all, this error, it happens when the washing machine has a self-clean cycle, and when it has a self-clean cycle, it senses if there's anything in the washing machine, and if there's anything in the washing machine, it will abandon the cycle and it will give you this error. So the first thing you need to do is, if you have anything in there, you need to take it out and then restart the self-clean cycle, or maybe you started the self-clean cycle by accident or something like that, and that's what's going on. If you didn't have anything, I would try to restart it, just do the same thing. I would just try to turn it off and restart it, and maybe it was some kind of anomaly of something like that. Now, if you continuously get this and it's empty, that means there's something going on that makes the washing machine think it's got clothes in it when it doesn't. And this could be like, and then we're getting into things where you're probably going to need to call a technician, because it could be that the bearings are starting to go, and so they're not spinning as freely, and so that resistance, that spinning resistance, makes the washing machine feel like there must be something inside the drum. But like I said, at that point, you're probably better off just calling a technician. But so anyways, that's what's going on if you're getting this error. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.